Hey there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of pool installation and creating a beautiful oasis right in your backyard. First off, we'll talk about adding a portico. Portico is like a fancy roof structure that provides shades and adds a touch of elegance to your pool area. Imagine lounging by the poolside under a stylish cover. Next up, we are all about nature. We will be planting trees and shrubs around the pool to create a serene and beautiful atmosphere. Picture lush greenery and colorful blooms enhancing the vibe of your outdoor space. And about lighting, we'll be installing power outlets for electrical wiring and setting up some stunning lighting arrangements. Think twinkling fairy lights and sleek spotlights illuminating your pool area once the sun goes down. Now let's talk comfort. We'll be adding outdoor furniture for seating and decorations. Imagine cozy chairs and stylish tables where you can relax with friends and family, surrounded by beauty of your own private oasis. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches. We will conduct a final inspection and walkthrough to make sure everything is perfect before handing over the keys to your very owner backyard paradise. So there you have it, from pool installation to create a stunning oasis. We have got you covered every step of the way. Now it's time to hand over the oasis to the property owner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.